Emin and his adventures.
Did you recognize me? I was a scary dinosaur. Today, we're opening this moving, gigantic, not really gigantic, shooting dinosaur. He shoots out this gas.
Okay, before we open this, I'm just gonna show you guys the box. So it says Dinosaur T-Rex here. And it's going to make sounds. It's gonna have like little steam coming out of his mouth. It's moving and it's so cool. It should have a remote control. And then we're gonna put some water right here on top of his head so we can actually see the steam coming out.
And guys, there's a new type of controller. There's like a gray one.
Yes, so we're very excited to open this toy, right?
Maybe we get a white one or a gray one. We don't know. Let's get opening it. I didn't even recognize it would be this big.
Hey, let me show him. Oh, he is huge.
Oh, he has a moving tail. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, I'm gonna scratch you.
And then here are the legs, right? And then it's the remote. Okay.
Oh,
Do you want to take him out?
Oh, he's so heavy. How do you open it?
Wow.
He has such a wide mouth.
And it should be something coming out of his mouth, right? But then we're gonna figure out how to do it. Yes.
Let's take these pieces up. They're easy. Oh, look here. It's like a chicken leg.
Let's see.
I'm liking leg, guys.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Oh, this
Is that the arm?
This is like a velociraptor arm.
Oh, let's see. You guys can see the arm.
Let's see the instructions.
Yes, what does it say? What do we need to do? I guess here it shows how to build it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and what does it say here?
All these are the instructions.
Oh, it shows how to make him walk and everything, so how to control it.
Look, wee! I'm having so much fun. Guys, we forgot to show you this. It's a card.
Yeah, you want to show him now or later?
Now.
Okay, let's do it.
We better not lose any of these.
Yes, I agree. Oh, this we'll have to put like water in this and then have to fill the dinosaur's mouth with this water so he can make the steam come out.
It's like the keeper card where you keep money.
Yeah. Cool. Dinos Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's look at the back, and here it says that the T-Rex is the largest of the Tyrannosaur family. The body length is about 11.5, 14.7 meters. The average hip height is about 4 meters. The height of the head is nearly 6 meters. One of the last dinosaur to become extinct. Yes.
He's strongest.
He is the strongest.
There is a different version. Look, there's a green version.
Let's see. Yes, there is a green version and there is a brown version. And we have the brown one.
Yeah. Why are you weak? This is so much fun.
Okay, so now we're gonna assemble and put the legs. Okay, so I figured out how to put this leg, and then there were 2 screws that we needed to put there, so you guys can see that it is, well, it should move now.
Yeah.
Okay, right there. It's moving. So when we get everything figured out and put all the legs, it will work with the remote control. Now here I'll just need to put the other leg. Okay, where is the other leg? Can I have that one?
Guys, I want to tell you something. When you move the leg, the other leg moves.
Yes.
I saw it.
So, because they both have to work at the same time for them to be able to work. Okay, let's see. Now let me, okay, there, I got it. Now let me see if I can get it here. There we go. Oops. Okay, now all we have to do is just screw it back up, and then there's one more right here. You can see it, right? Okay. Okay. One more. Okay. Now, I mean, there were 2 brown thingies.
Yeah.
Like these, they are going to help us close this right here. So it's like a real dinosaur. So we won't be able to see the screws. I think it goes to the other side right here, this one.
There are some things on them I saw, so you can't really like put it in. They're like some twisty things. It was hard for me.
And then let's put it to the other side. Right there. Okay, now the arms. Let's see. I think we're gonna just pop up the arms. So now we're gonna put the arms. Let's see. I guess we have to do it. Okay, this way. We got it, you see? Now the other side.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, we're almost done. I'm so excited.
Yes. There. Now let's see if it's gonna stand up. Guys, you see we just turned it on and it kind of makes sound. Okay, so before we start and test it out how it works, I'm just gonna pour water right here, you see, and then it should make like a steaming. Okay, do you want to hold this, Emin?
Yeah.
And let's pour some water in there.
Only for professional.
Yes. Okay. So now close it. Yay, I'm so excited.
Yeah, this was really good.
I think he's very, very cool, right?
Scared.
You're scared? Don't be scared. Okay, I'm just gonna push him right here. So we're starting like at the edge, and then Emin is gonna try to make him move. Okay guys, we thought that there's gonna be not enough room for us to show it on Emin's table, so we kind of moved here, and Emin is holding the remote control. Wow. He is moving very, very fast. Okay, now we're outside and we're gonna try to see. You guys can see? Oh, he's even cooler when he is outside. You like it, Emin?
Yeah. Turn it up. Good boy, good boy. Let's see. Why does he keep falling down? Go. Okay, guys. I had so much fun opening this new dinosaur. And I'm so excited to play with it again. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
And hopefully